Let's have a quick look at the top 10 Flutter and Dart packages from January 10 to 16. Number 10 is called Win32 Registry, a set of classes for working with the Windows registry. Number 9 is called File Previewer. It generates a thumbnail for a file based on the file extension, and it uses the native files previewer on iOS. Number 8 is called Cross Scroll. Cross Scroll is a Flutter package that permits its child views to be scrolled vertically and horizontally. This is important because in many cases you need content to be scrolled on both sides. Number 7 is called Release Updater, a simple way to automatically update release or installation files in a local directory. Number 6 is called Shaped Image, a new Flutter package for showing images in different shapes. Number 5 is called Overlapping Panels, which is inspired by the Discord's mobile app navigation. Add left and right panels to your app with gestures to reveal panels and callbacks to listen for reveals. Number 4 is called Floating Chat Button, a floating button which can be dragged around the screen and can display messages to the user. Number 3 is called Avatar Stack, an advanced and agile avatar stack with settings. It allows to place a lot of avatars or other widgets in small place. Number 2 is called Flutter CORS, a script to disable and re-enable CORS for Flutter's Chrome instance. And last but not least, the number 1 of release week 2, the package Onboarding Animation. This package provides good-looking transition animations for your onboarding pages and a page indicator. If you enjoyed this video and want to support me and my channel, please like, share and subscribe. Also make sure to support the developers of those awesome packages by hitting the like button on the documentation page. Those were the top 10 of the week. Thank you very much for your attention. Have a great week and see you soon.